Welcome, little learners, to USA Tiny Tots English, where the alphabet comes to life. Today, we're going to learn the A to Z alphabet together. But, wait. I need your help. Can you say hello in the chat? Type it below. Awesome. Now, let's dive into the magical world of letters. Duck, duck, what's your favorite color of duck? Tell me in the chat. Yellow? Green? Wonderful. Type it below, and let's see what everyone likes. Great job. Now, let's explore more letters together. Elephant. Wow, elephants are amazing creatures. Now, let's chat. In the comments, tell me something you know about elephants. Are they big or small? What sound do they make? Type your elephant facts in the chat below. Great sharing, everyone. F is for fish. What's your favorite color of fish? Share it in the chat. Blue? Red? Fantastic choices, friends. I'll waiting for you little learners. Rainbow, that was amazing, friends. You made learning the alphabet so much fun. Give yourselves a big high five, celebratory hands in the air. Before we say goodbye, type your favorite letter in the chat. I can't wait to see your answers. If you had a blast, don't forget to subscribe to USA Tiny Tots English and hit the like button. I'll see you in our next chat-filled adventure. Until then, keep chatting, keep learning, and keep having a blast. Goodbye.